Hey guys, welcome back to Wild West Woodscraft. My name is Trevor, and I'm out here doing some filming and exploring a new area. And so I thought I'd show you guys what I'm carrying for this scout trip. I'm just out here for the day. I camped last night, but I left the rest of my gear back at my truck. And so now I'm just carrying my scouting kit. So just getting right into it, I'm carrying this Hobo Forge tomahawk. I use this for gathering resources and just different tasks. I really like it. I was using it this morning when I was hiking around. There was all the fresh cobwebs between all the trees, and they kept getting all in my face and everything. So I was using this and swiping out of the way as I was walking through the woods. But this is super useful. There's really so many uses for a tomahawk or a small belt axe. Moving on from there, I just have my water kit, and in here I have a titanium 1 liter bottle, a titanium 750 milliliter cup, and then a small little titanium spoon, and a foraging bandana from Wazoo Gear. The ability to carry water is important. I can disinfect that water because the container's titanium. It's a single walled bottle. And I can also cook some food with that cup, but that's my water carrier. I just have a little toggle on the outside to get it out of the fire. Then in my haversack, let's see, up top in this top pocket here, I have just some snacks and some dried fruits, some beef jerky, a couple of bars, just to keep me going throughout the day. And then in this little zippered pouch here, let's see, I got just a Suunto MC2 compass with a titanium whistle and some paste beads. I have a Write in the Rain notebook with some pens and pencils. And in the back I have a couple of trail markers that are both orange and reflective. Just a couple protractors. I have a PowerFilm solar panel and battery bank, a USB rechargeable headlamp. I have the USB charger for the headlamp and a couple extra paste beads. And then the last thing I have is just this wax canvas sheet that is also a signal panel. So if I need to leave a waypoint while I'm out navigating, or I can use this to process materials. It clips together to make a little bowl so I can hold water in it. Very useful piece of kit. But I keep it in my navigation and signal kit because of that orange panel. I can use it as a way marker. That's my nav and signal kit. The only other thing with that is I have this battle board with maps of the area that I'm in both 1 in 25,000, 1 in 10,000, and 1 in 50,000 scale. I have a map marker on the back, but other than that, that's all that's in there. Some bug spray, because the mosquitoes are crazy right now. This is a bug spray I really like. I find that it works quite well on mosquitoes, and it doesn't leave a film on your skin, and it doesn't smell terrible. It's this Repel lemon eucalyptus or whatever. I like it a lot. It doesn't work on ticks, but it does work very well on mosquitoes, and that's my biggest concern up here. I just have this daisy chain of let's see, there's what, 6 foot strands of paracord in here, or maybe 3 foot, I forget, but just some paracord. I have my fire kit, and in here I just have a beeswax candle, a couple of fire starters, a Yuko Sweet Fire, and a ferrocerium rod. Then I have a T60 emergency tarp from Coalcracker Bushcraft. This is a really small, compact tarp that's good size. It's like 5 by 7, I believe. And it is very lightweight, packs down to nothing, and it's a great emergency shelter if I need it. And I have 4 MSR mini groundhog stakes in there with it, so I can set up a shelter system if I need to. The last thing I have in here is my first aid kit. This is just a Tough Possum gear pouch. And in here, let's see, I got some compressed gauze, a SWAT tee tourniquet, a Mylar survival blanket, a package of wet ones, some over-the-counter medication, duct tape, some baking soda, toothbrush, some soap, let's see, some band-aids, water purification tablets, rehydration mixes, a pair of gloves, some eye drops, extra contacts, chest seals, little comb for getting cactus out. I think that's about it, and then just a couple of little boo-boo items like sting and bite pads and antiseptic ointment and stuff like that. It's not very comprehensive as far as a bunch of different, being able to treat a bunch of different injuries, but I can treat life-threatening injuries with it. And then with that, I carry a cat tourniquet in my back pocket. This is my primary tourniquet. The SWAT tee tourniquet's more of, I use that as a pressure dressing or a backup tourniquet if I need it. But that's my hygiene and first aid kit. That's everything in the haversack. Last thing I'm carrying on me is I have this Tough Possum gear extra large survival scarf. This is a big polyester tube made with 2 layers of polyester. The inside's fluorescent orange, the outside's green. I have it knotted off on this end, and in that's also where I was carrying my camera equipment, and I just tie that around my waist. But I have this leather pouch for fire tinders, natural tinders that I collect, and then I have a Grail water filter with a pre-filter on the outside, and that's all just within this big piece of material. I can use this to set up some shade or all sorts of different uses for that. On body, quickly, I have a belt knife, Leatherman, a little merino wool buff, Glock 19, Streamlight flashlight, wallet, keys, wazoo necklace, a lighter, cell phone. Really, that's about it. But yeah, that's just what I'm carrying for this quick scout, and that can keep me, I could spend an uncomfortable night out if I needed to, but that's everything I need for the day to film some content, to do some navigation, and to have a good time in the woods. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.